This book here, really, if you understand La ilaha illallah, this is either your salvation in the life of this dunya before the akhirah, or you've got the answer wrong. Every single one of us is going to be asked to manra book. There's no doubt about that. What is your tawheed? What do you believe in? If you get it right here, then you can get it right in the way. This is why many of the ulama, the salaf, they have said, Inna fi dunya Jannah. In this dunya there is a Jannah. Man la yadkhulaha fi dunya, lam yadkhulaha fil akhirah. If you don't enter that Jannah already exists in the life of this dunya. If you don't enter into that Jannah in the life of this dunya, you will not enter into Jannah in the akhirah. What is the Jannah of the dunya? There's no other salvation. There is no other sweetness. Wallahi, it's going to come point in your life where food is just food, drink is just drink, clothes is just clothes, money is just money. What is there in this dunya after that? This is the sweetness.